And today I am going to show you some cards I made with the paper pumpkin kit. I've been meaning to show you all these. This paper pumpkin kit that I used was the January paper pumpkin kit Sending Hearts. And actually I think some of these I also used the paper pumpkin kit, yeah. I believe it was called, let's see, what was it, the December one, also Very Comforting, so there's a few cards in there from that one as well. But today is the 10th, so it's the last day to sign up and get the next paper pumpkin kit if you would like that one. Just wanted to let you know about this next paper pumpkin kit. It's supposed to be a really good one, and all. I've been posting all over Instagram and everything of what I could. You know, they don't tell us a whole lot, you know, before you get them, because it's supposed to be like a surprise. So anyway, you know, each kit you get, you always get, well, your first kit, I've always said you always get your block, and then you keep that block, and in every kit you always get like your stamps, so you'll get, you know, your kit with your stamps. Then you'll get an ink spot, and here I've collected several ink spots from all my kits. Okay, so you'll get a different color ink spot each time. You'll get a different stamp set. You'll collect many of those each time. You'll get embellishments. This last kit, we got an entire thing of this black ribbon. You'll get paper cutouts. You'll get just whatever you need for that particular kit. You'll get your instructions, everything you need, even your adhesive will be in there. Now, if you want anything extra to go along with your kit, then you can order that through me as your demonstrator, and I can help you. And you can order this kit through me, and I will be your demonstrator for that. I can help you with that. Here is the February host code, and you can use that to get your first kit. And if you would like to get 3 kits in a row, that will help you save, okay? If you want to go ahead and get the next 3 kits, that will help you save. One, it will help you get you a free paper pumpkin kit through me, okay? Because I'm doing a special. If you get 3 paper pumpkin kits, okay, order 3 paper pumpkin kits through me, I will give you a free paper pumpkin kit. I'm done a video on that. And then also, it will get you a celebration item. Okay, you'll get a free celebration item. So if you do that, you get 2 free items. One from me and one from Stampin' Up. So just remember that. And so you want to maybe take that offer, because this will be the last chance you get to do that. Celebration ends February. So now you can still take advantage of the celebration items and everything to the end of February. But the my paper pumpkin offer will be ending this the end of February. So anyway, I wanted to let y'all know that. Let's see. What was I going to say? Okay, so anyway, here we go. I wanted to show you these so it won't take too long. These are a bunch of cards that I made. And these right here, I even decorated some of the envelopes. And these are just, like I said, these are from the January Sending Hearts kit. Okay. And let's see, yeah, I did decorate that envelope. And these are made with extra supplies, some of them. So you can follow the instructions, or you can make cards on your own and add extra cardstock and things. Yeah, this was a Valentine's kit. And this was really cute. I made a bunch of Valentines. I love this embossing folder. I just showed this. I'm always using this example. I just showed this in the last video with the new cut and emboss machine. The little mini. So I love that. Here's some that's a little bit different colors. Okay, now these are from the December kit. Envelopes are really cute on these too, as you see on this one. They were decorated inside, and I decorated it on this side too. I forgot to show you that. I had a lot of fun on both these kits. Now this one, you see I did the bear in blue. Did Hooray. And then this one, I did it in pink. With pink balloons. So this could be for a girl, and that could be for a boy. You could use it for a baby's, you know, or a little girl's first birthday or whatever, a boy's birthday, first baby showers, you know, whatever. And somehow I got some ink on this one. That's a shame. Then here is another one. Yes, I did decorate the, well, I wonder how ink got smeared on some of these. I'll have to watch that. It's a shame. It must have still been wet when I laid something on top of them. And this is actually a get well soon one. And you can see these, I actually stamped the flowers out, where these were one of their cutouts, and I stamped the flowers and then just fussy cut them. Same with this bear. This bear I colored and then fussy cut. This is their bear. So you can see the difference of them. So, and there's still, in both of these kits, there's a lot of product left. And then this was another Valentine. So did I? Yeah, I showed that. Here's another little Valentine. See, it says love, and then inside I put you. So that's all that I wanted to do more. I haven't had time with making other videos and so forth. So that was all I really had time to do with all these. So I hope you like these. And like I said, if you would like to order the paper pumpkin kit, make sure you do that today. This is the last day to do that. If you like these and like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and that will really help my video to grow. Please share and comment down below. Tell me hello, just, that you like the video or something. And if you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. And remember to click the notification bell. And click it so that it says all notifications. That way YouTube will notify you when I make all new videos. And I do every Friday. I will be posting. I post every Friday a new stamping video called Fun Friday Stamping. So you can always expect that on Fridays. So, and let's see. Is there anything else I need to say? I'm trying to think. That's about it. I think I've made all the announcements. Oh, yes, okay. While celebration is going on, if you are interested in joining my team and becoming a demonstrator, whether you want to sell or just do it as a hobby, let me know. I am a part of Jean, and she is Beauty and the Stamper here on YouTube. Okay, and we have a great team. So if you're interested in being a part of our team, just let me know. Right now with celebration, it's a great time to join because you get to have $57 value of the free paper. It's 200 sheets of the designer series paper. Nobody else gets this paper, no other demonstrator, no one. It's only offered to the to the new demonstrators. That's what I'm trying to say. So only those new demonstrators who sign up right now till the end of February can get that new designer series paper. And then also you get 20% off. You also get $125 worth. I think I'm saying that right. $125 worth of free product. Well, it's not free actually. You sign up for $99, and then you get $125 worth of products you get to pick from, if that makes sense. So, and you get it for only $99. That's what I'm trying to say. And then after you become, after you've signed up, then you get 20% off on your other orders. So you've got that to look forward to. And then you get some other perks and all that as well. So like you get to know things before other people, because you are actually a demonstrator. Whether you want to sell or just, do it for the, just like you've been doing, you're just a hobbyist. it's great to have that extra 20% off. So, you know, just let me know if you're interested, and you can be a part of our team. We have several people who do it as a hobby, and on our team, and we welcome them. And I'd love to have you as a part of our team, and I'm trying to grow my team and grow me a little team here, so just let me know if you're interested. You can get in touch with me. So I think that's it, and I appreciate y'all watching, and like I said, if y'all just please help me out on my videos by, you know, sharing and commenting and giving my videos a thumbs up. That helps me out. And I'll see you soon in the next video. And y'all have a very blessed day.